Scarf. Noun. A long, often knitted, garment worn around the neck. Scarf. Noun. A headscarf. Scarf. Verb. To throw on loosely, to put on like a scarf. Scarf. Verb. To dress with a scarf, or as with a scarf, to cover with a loose wrapping. Scarf. Noun. A type of joint in woodworking. Scarf. Noun. A groove on one side of a sewing machine needle. Scarf. Noun. A dip or notch or cut made in the trunk of a tree to direct its fall when felling. Scarf. Verb. To shape by grinding. Scarf. Verb. To form a scarf on the end or edge of, as for a joint in timber, forming a V groove for welding adjacent metal plates, metal rods, etc. Scarf. Verb. To unite, as two pieces of timber or metal, by a scarf joint. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.